everyone! Welcome back to the Circle Time Rug. You ready for our activity? Me too. And you know, because today is Thursday, we do our mindful activities. And I found two great ones today from Mindful Kids, remember? First is Mind Magic. Mind Magic? Pretty neat. So, this one wants you to sit, back straight, shoulders back, and then close your eyes and take 3 soft breaths. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Now in your mind, with your eyes still closed, imagine you're an animal. What kind of animal are you? Are you a big animal? A small animal? A long or a short animal? How does that animal move? Does it like the sun? Does it live in the water? What does it eat? Can you imagine now that you're a different animal? Your body changes from one animal to the next animal. Is this animal bigger or smaller? Does it live in the same place or somewhere different? It's amazing what you can do with your mind, right? It is magic. Okay, open your eyes. What 2 animals were you? I was a horse the first time, galloping on the grass. And the second time, I turned into a fish in the water. Yeah. This person looks like they were being a lion. Maybe a bunny back here. You could do this anytime. Just close your eyes, take some deep breaths, and imagine being an animal or anything. Maybe you're a superhero. Yeah? Okay. I like this card. It's called Everything Changes. And over the last couple months, so much has changed for us. We stopped going to school. We stopped maybe going to the parks, visiting some of our friends. A lot has changed. And sometimes change is hard. But sometimes change can be beautiful. Like Charlotte, remember she started as a bean and then she grew into a beautiful plant that I enjoy and love every single day. So let's read this card. It says, have you ever noticed that things change every day? Yeah, we have, right? Maybe that tree outside your window is growing oranges or flowers. Oh, and it says like the weather. We've noticed the weather change a lot, right? Perhaps a tree has a new bud or a flower has wilted. That happens. Or your toenails are longer than they were last week. Do you clip your toenails? Maybe your mommy helps you, right? Or your daddy. Oh, a new student has joined your class. Well, that hasn't happened recently, right? Do you miss some of your friends? I believe it. I miss some of my friends too. Some changes are big, but some are small. You might feel happy about some changes and then sad about others. Look around you and find one thing that has stayed the same and something that has changed. Okay, let's look around. Well, I see that a lot of things have stayed the same in my apartment, like my table and my furniture, and some of my plants even haven't grown much. And then it wants you to find something that has changed. Well, we all know Charlotte's changed, right? And the weather's changed, but my hair's gotten longer, that's for sure. I haven't gotten it cut. Have you gotten yours cut? Maybe that has changed. And we all know Charlotte's changed. Okay, this one, I'm gonna post this on Facebook so that you can come back to it with your mommy or your daddy because it says write, draw, or tell someone how you feel about these changes. And it's always nice to talk about how we're feeling, right? Even if they're happy feelings or sad feelings, surprised, shocked, angry. And it's nice to actually draw them or write them and even talk about them. So since we're going through lots of changes right now, I thought this would be a really great activity to do today with mom or dad, or maybe by yourself, okay? And I'm bringing back look inside your body. This is a long book, right? So we're only going to be able to do a little bit. We did this page, right? We saw how the strawberry moved all the way through his body. We looked at breathing in our lungs and our heart and our diaphragm. And we also looked how the blood goes in, up and down and in and out of our heart last week. So this week, this is called your bones and your muscles. You know what's neat about bones and muscles? Or bones are really hard, right? Can you find a hard part on your body? Maybe an elbow, maybe your forehead or your knees? And can you find a soft part of your body? Maybe your cheeks or your ears, do they bend? Your nose? Yeah, we have hard and soft things on our bodies too, right? Okay, your bones fit together to make your skeleton. This holds you up and helps you move. Your spine is made up of lots of little bones. Let's see what's behind this. There's his spine. Here are his hip bones. See what's behind this. Oh, this is a ball and a socket joint in your legs, and it makes it move. Can your legs move? Right? You can kick a ball, you can run, because you have these joints. The knee joint works like a hinge to move your calf up and down. Ooh, look at this one. He's kicking. Woo! That's pretty hard. And what's behind this one? Your bones look like this inside. Lots of little holes. Interesting, right? Your spine helps you stand up straight. But it lets you bend too. She's diving into a pool. Oh, pretty neat. If you have a bad fall, you could break a bone. Look at this guy. A doctor will make the bone straight and put your leg in a plaster or a cast. He has a cast on. Let's see what happens. There's another flap. The cast keeps your bones still, so you can knit together and heal. All better. He got better because he had the cast. Who has more bones, a child or a grown-up? A child! Is that what you guessed? That's because some of your bones join up as you get older and become longer bones in one. Interesting, right? That's an interesting fact you can teach to your mom or your dad or your brothers and your sisters. Okay, moving on. Your muscles. Your muscles do lots of jobs, from pumping blood around you to helping you walk and talk. Whoa, let's see. Your arm muscles work in pairs to pull your arm up and down. Can you flex your muscles? Whoa, you're so strong. Wow. Okay, your tricep pulls your arm down. Let's see what's underneath. Your bicep pulls your arm up. Look at, he's making his strong, showing us his strong muscles. Nice. Let's see what's down here. This is his leg. There's a flap. That is what a muscle looks like if you get really close. Interesting, right? Okay, let's jump, it says. What happens when you want to jump? First, your brain sends a message to your muscles telling them to move. Then, your muscles pull on your bones. There's another flap. Making your knees bend, then stretch, and that makes you jump. Huh. There are about 50 muscles in your face. What? Lift the flap to see what your muscles do when you frown. Okay, let's see what happens when we frown. Whoa, frown muscles and smile muscles. You can see all the muscles in his face. Might be hard. But how interesting. Your muscles move and make different faces. We can make funny faces too, not just frowning and smiling. Okay, where is the biggest muscle in your body? Look at this guy, he's super strong. Let's find out. Oh, your gluteus maximus is your biggest muscle? What's a gluteus maximus? It's in your bottom, and it's called your gluteus maximus. Wow, you're gonna sound super smart if you walked around saying, my gluteus maximus. You should try it. Okay, when you exercise, some things can seem hard at first, like when you're running up a hill. Whew, that's hard work. But your muscles get bigger and stronger the more you use them. This is why it's important to exercise every day. Let's see, there's another flap. And the more you exercise, the easier it gets. Okay, last one, kick the ball. Lots of your muscles move because you want them to. These are voluntary muscles. But other muscles work without you thinking about them. They're called involuntary muscles. An example is your heart. It's always pumping blood around your body. We learned about that last week, right? Put your hand on the left side of your chest, and you can feel your heartbeat. Neat. Okay, there's one more flap. Lots of muscles that help your food go down are involuntary too. There she is. She's eating a strawberry too. They like eating strawberries in this book. Okay. Wow, it's pretty neat. Okay, we'll see what else we can read in this book next week. And today, don't forget that you can go on a scavenger hunt with your binoculars. I misplaced mine. I have to go find them. And move your body, exercise, eat healthy food, right? Get some sunshine, hopefully. I know I'm going to today. Okay, I hope you have a great day doing whatever you get up to, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Bye-bye.